What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Monopoly Go code quickly and easily. The first thing we'll do is tap into our Monopoly Go app. A reason you might want to find your friend code is to send it to other people so that they can add you. The first thing we'll do is tap to the bottom left corner to where it says friends. On the screen, you'll see your friend code. Tap on it to copy. To the left of your friend code, you'll see a share button to send your code to other friends. To the right of your friend code, you'll see a green magnifying glass. You can enter other people's friends code here to find them. On the bottom of your screen, you'll see invite. You can also find friends there. You can also find friends through your contacts. This is what you see when you tap the green magnifying glass. You'll enter your friends code here and tap on search. If you invite so many friends, you get rewards. 10 friends gets you the bonus big reward. You can invite friends with either button at the bottom of your screen. That's all for today, guys. I hope this helped you find your friend code quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.